Hope everybody had a good day today, a good trading day. We had a good day, so it was pretty good. So I just wanted to go over uh, the market and what's going on. So we have AMD, who is getting absolutely destroyed. AMD had poor earnings. These are Google earnings. We can also point that out too. We'll go to Google first because you have it up. Google, you had some misses here. Beat EPS, lost revenue, and then we have other metrics here that they didn't beat. So the market did not like it, and their conference call didn't save it, so it's down currently 6%, completely beaten down. And then Google, this one's down 7%, so this one had a little bit more weakness in the after hours. So heavily beaten down. We'll go back and we will go to AMD. AMD here, they had beat beat revenue and they beat their EPS. Even though that happened, we still got it sold down. And I believe all they see is these anchored VWAP resistance, and any time it touches, these things get sold down. And even the pre-market, they sell it down. Because this should have been a good earnings report where we should have been closing somewhere above here in this area, but we completely got sold down, even though it's not bad earnings. So completely sold down. So the market's playing games. They want AMD. I don't know where they want it down to. This 618 didn't get respected. So we might just see down to here at 54.96. I do not know. Maybe 95.70 is where we'll find support. But right now, this thing is heavily down. It can't break any anchored VWAP, so stay away from this stock unless you want to lose money. So I just wanted to go over the trades that we took today. SPY, you can see NASDAQ was much stronger, really strong today, but we had similar to the same close. So we came up and we got above here, and you can see we got buying. So on the 5 minute, you can see today we got good economic numbers that came in. We've got a consolidation. So I took a couple of trades down. So the first trade you can see here, 630 put on SPX, 1250 to 1710. That was about a 15-minute trade. So I have that one saved up here, and I can show you. That first trade, that was that trade, and it shows here right on the chart. That was the entry. That was the exit. It was a pretty good exit. Perfect there. I didn't get all of this candle. I pretty much got half of it. And then our next trade was the next short. So that was 11. So that was here at 11:56 to 12:17. And it shows here with our entry, we had to go through a little bit of this fake buying that they're trying to move up, but the market was really on its downtrend because NASDAQ was weak at this time. So if you go to the NASDAQ chart, that was right here, right here. NASDAQ was weak, so you can see that it was weak at that time, and it just took a matter of time for it to break this support that it was supporting. You see that support they were supporting there? I used this as a target on my second trade. I mean, first trade, that was the target, this area, after I saw that this was the support. After that, we took a loss. I believe it was a loss. No, $20. This trade had gone up, and I was just in this just to see if it was going to rip up. So it came up, and I believe it ripped up 12.53. Let's go back. You can see 12.53. We got a little bit of a pullback, and I got stopped out there, I'm pretty sure. That's where I got stopped out. 13. Yep, that's where we sold. So we bought at the bottom, and it bounced back up, and I was out because I didn't like what it was doing. And then again, we bought back in at 120. 120, which was this candle here. And you can see We played around, and I got out. I believe I got out. Oh no, I closed it. Oh, I don't know where I got out. But we got out somewhere here. We didn't get most all of this move because there was a resistance here, but we should have stayed in. Those went to about $18, so that would have been $1,000 trade, but we didn't get it, so that was okay. That was only about $200, and then we were able to get a call toward the end on this candle here, but it was not a good trade because I entered somewhere around here and I had to average in down here in order to get this move. So this was maybe a $200, $250 trade. So altogether today was about $1,800. So it was a pretty good day. I'll post that after the fact so you'll be able to see it. But it was okay trading day. I'm happy with it. We didn't do too much, but as I said, AMD and Google, they got absolutely dominated, and hopefully they'll get a bounce. I just wanted to thank you for your time. Like and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.